Welcome back, everyone. We're going to help you navigate through the difficult world of getting a job going into 2026 so that you can change your life with more income and enjoying your day. So, first things first, we're going to show you how you can tailor your resume specifically to each role. And then we're going to use AI to do so. But then we're also going to jump in, second step, applying to over 100 jobs within 5 minutes. Follow along, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do that, jumping straight in here because we don't like any fluff. We like to go straight to the point. We want to put our resume directly in there, and then we can say edit this. So once we actually get this documentation, we can go into Undetectable.ai. I'm going to fast forward here and we'll come back whenever it's completed. And this resume is ready. It's actually giving me some good skill advice down here. Typically, I'd go in and double check it, but I already did. This file is not found, so we're going to have to ask it once again to make the document work. I'll come back whenever it's working. All right, I got my PDF control completely working. So now I'm going to go into Undetectable, which you can see the link below. If you would like to sign up, you can check the link below for Undetectable.ai. Amazing software to help you apply to a ton of jobs or tailor your resume, write essays, even detect people that are using AI, which is a pretty cool feature as well. But I'm going to use the AI job applier today. So as you see, I got about 460 job applications remaining. And I believe I only paid about $55, $60 for this. So you can check out that in the link below. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into resume, and down here, this is my resume that I currently have. So whenever I did that, I clicked in here, and this is where you're able to submit it. I'm going to create a new one because I just got a new resume uploaded right here. So got it working, and we're uploading this document to Undetectable. Since this is in here and we're all set, this is going to be more focused for AI type roles. I'm not actively looking for a job, but I'm definitely in the ballpark of being interested. You want to sign in, you can always send me an email. Feel free to stick with that. Once we get this, we want to make sure that we have the right types of jobs we're looking for. So when we come in here, we want to make sure that we have the right positions. Engineer, I want local ones, but we could also just do USA. I'm okay with either, but associate level and full-time, any distance. We're going to shoot for the moon on this because we want to make sure that we like the job that we get. So that's another thing I advise, making sure that you filter out your jobs, going through operations assistant. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to go and fill out a couple more job roles, and then I'm going to come right back. One quick hack so you can add a lot of these jobs really quickly would be just duplicate. Make sure that you do have all the different options available. I'm going to change this one to hybrid and remote, and then just entry level, just to have some extra opportunities available. So now that we got our jobs in there, we're going to start job applications, and this will take us over to ZipRecruiter, where it'll start actually applying for jobs. So I want to make sure that this matches. So we can do strict, we're going to go 85%. And let's see, we're going to start it. So I'll come back once this is complete. And once we do, say 100 or so, and I'm going to time it. Right now it is 11:45. So I'll come back and I'll let you know how long it takes to apply for 100 jobs. I wanted to show something here that I'm troubleshooting. I pushed the match up to 85%. So it actually hasn't applied to any jobs yet. I'm thinking that if we drop it down, it could apply to some more jobs. So we're going to drop down to 70 and see if this fixes the issue. All right, checking in, recording for about 15 minutes. It's 12 on the dot. As you see, it's only applied to about 3 jobs in that 15 minutes. But what I'm going to change here, I'm actually going to lower the threshold. So let's see how fast it can do it now. See, it already did a job. If I can do a 45%, let's see how many it can go. I'm going to pause it for a couple more minutes. I'll come back in 10 and see how many applications it could do. And there you have it. We applied to about 30 jobs. So this did take a little longer than expected because I was being very specific with the types of jobs I wanted, which I definitely recommend to a lot of people. There's a bunch here, but yeah, that's how it goes. Make sure you follow along and comment if you have any questions. Sign up for Undetectable.ai with the link below if this will be useful for you. Lots of potential advantages with this. If you want to try out the AI detector, you can detect if things are AI humanizer, AI resume writer, and so on. So check it out. Follow along, Cameron.ai, and looking forward to seeing you on the next videos.